Hello, today we are preparing Locro de Papa. Locro de Papa is from Pichincha. The ingredients are potatoes, water, cheese, milk, butter, onion, achiote, cumin, salt, garlic, and cilantro. You will need a knife, a spoon, a pot, a frying pan, a fork. First, peel potatoes and cut. Then slice the onion and garlic. After that, in a frying pan, add butter. Then add achiote, onion, garlic, cumin, salt, and whisk for 5 minutes. After that, in a pot, boil water and add potatoes. Cook for 13 minutes. Then add fried onion and garlic to the pot. Before that, mash some potatoes with a fork. Then add milk. Cook for 5 minutes and whisk. Finally, add the cheese and cilantro. Ecuadorian rarely eat locro de papa. Fun fact, locro de papa is an emblematic dish of the Ecuadorian Sierra region.